stay in the middle of the night. I'm gonna be there till the morning light.
This multi-million-dollar illegal pot bust in Lincoln County has led to 3 arrests. Take a look. Authorities seized nearly 8,800 pounds of marijuana worth more than $7.8 million. It was found in the remote wilderness. A hunter tipped off authorities in February. Nevada State Police conducted surveillance and found it was a historic grow site that was once again active. Nevada State Police say illegal grows can be highly toxic due to the pesticides. If you see an illegal grow, you can contact Nevada State Police's Investigation Division.
Give it gas when I'm dipping competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better get in, back, ride for my dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back, never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction. Whenever I spin my bag, I'm a span, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working this, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack, you a flash in the pan, while you relaxing, I can't. But team in the pack, the sedan, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft for the fam, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my grade and premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time, my time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it gas, bitch. Sungjin Woo is taking looks maxing to the max.
I still ain't knocked that damn phone over. Anyways, that's all our videos for today. You know how that goes. We alright though, right? Yeah, we gonna make it. Anyways, so let's see. Now it's time for y'all to see the plants. So before I get to the buy me a coffee video, y'all know how I do. I gotta show you that work first. You did. We gotta show the work. We gotta show the work. Shout out to the Indoor Gardens Consultant, because you know that's what we do. I heard somebody say you can only grow weed with hydroponics. Yeah, I thought that was funny because, you know, we grow way more than just weed with hydroponics. Hell, it says right here on the website that over 80,000 plants grow in deep water culture. So, hey, there's a lot of fucking plants out there apparently, and most of them grow well in deep water culture. Shout out to the hydroponics. Anyways, let's see. Yeah. I already opened up 10-2. Y'all know 10-1 behind me. 10-1 doing this thing, though. They look real good in 10-1. Here, I'll show you. I'm going to show you. I ain't just going to talk about it. I'll show you. This is the part of the video anyways, right? It's dark in here, though, so good luck seeing what you want to see. But yeah, they looking real good in 10-1. Like it's dark popcorn. You ain't open it up so we can see. Let that green light get in there so we can see them plants. Nah, I ain't gonna show you nothing. But anyways, y'all know 10-1 look good. Like I said, the tents are looking better than the green room did, because when I did their water, I just left them with what they already had and added the CalMag to it instead of doing a full water change out, new water and CalMag. So they were happier to just keep what they already had going. So that's how that went. Then over here in tent 2, shout out to tent 2, because you know how it is in the greens zone. They over here doing their thing. They're looking good. They just coming in, pulling up. The one that was looking yellow, which is what made me start worried about CalMag to begin with.